Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your finances with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To automate your finances with QuickBooks, start by setting up your QuickBooks account. Visit the official QuickBooks website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that best fits your financial needs. Once registered, log in to your QuickBooks dashboard. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts for seamless tracking. Navigate to the banking menu on the left sidebar. Select Link Account and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. For enhanced organization, categorize your transactions into appropriate buckets. Click on the Transactions tab and then for Review. Assign each transaction to the correct category or create new ones as needed. After categorization, set up rules to automate future transactions. Go to the banking menu, select Rules, and click on New Rule. Name your rule and specify conditions, such as transaction type and amount. Decide on the category these transactions should fall under. Save the rule to allow QuickBooks to automatically categorize similar transactions in the future. Next, implement recurring transactions for regular expenses. Navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner. Under Lists, select Recurring Transactions. Click on New, choose the type of transaction, and set the frequency. Fill in the necessary details, such as amount and category. Save the transaction to automate it for the specified periods. Now, set up automated reporting to keep track of your finances. Go to the Reports menu and choose the reports you want to automate. Customize the report's parameters and select Schedule. Choose how often you would like the report to be sent to your email. Lastly, review and adjust your settings regularly. Periodically check your connected accounts, rules, and reports. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your financial automation. With these steps, you'll have a streamlined financial management system using QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.